So that's good to see Leah after making a long trip from Elkhart, Indiana. So the lights on the pace car, or the lights on the car corner pace truck are off. This is a 30-lap race. Get comfortable, pick your favorite driver. Lights on the car corner pace truck are now out as Bob Peters is going to bring the field around. Who's ready for some racing? Here they come, here they come, here they come! Great flag and war racing! Here we go. It's Ricky Wilson off for the races in the beginning. Bob Peters going to try to, whoa, Bob Peters almost lost it. He's going to hang on to it. Here comes Patrick. I believe that's Patrick Thick in the 54. It is. He's going to try to grab second. Here comes Chris Harmon, earlier heat winner. He's looking to the inside of Peters, but here comes Finstad, the Michigan driver, the 28 of Pete Doxey. He's now in third. So the inside lane not working too good for Peters. Here comes your fast qualifier of Phil Maloff as the 35 of Lyle Phillips off the pace, just not getting that car figured out tonight. Peters might look to slide up to the outside. He is now. And it's going to be Finstad to challenge Doxey for third. And Phil Maloff almost goes sideways into turn 3 and 4. What's going on here for these Midwest Dash Series cars? And it's Rickelman now to challenge Peters on the outside. He doesn't get it done. Here comes Harmon to the inside of Peters. We could have 3 wide, and we do. Oh, hang on to it, Rickelman. Peters driving with all he can. Looks like he's having some handling issues in the 54 car. Rickelman backs off. Good driving by him. It's going to be Harmon, but Finstad's going to get around the 28 of Pete Doxey and grab up third spot, and now they're coming into lap traffic. But it's Ricky Wilson to bring the group around as he's your leader. And it's Harmon and Rickelman having trouble getting around Bob Peters as they are right there as the gap is starting to widen between the 32 and the 54. Tim Finstad looking to the inside of the 56 car of Patrick Thick. He gets around him. Tim Finstad now in second. Here comes a Michigan driver, Pete Doxey. Pete Doxey looking to challenge for third now. And here comes your fast qualifier, Phil Maloff. Still got a battle in the back between Rickelman and Harmon. They finally got around Bob Peters. Justin Pearson gets around Bob Peters. The 22 of Grabinger looking to get around Peters, looking to challenge him now. Now here comes Phil Maloff to challenge Patrick Thick for fourth spot. Phil Maloff really dives that front end when he goes down, doesn't he, ladies and gentlemen? Watch when he turns that whole front end just goes hard left. But it seems to work for him as he's now in fourth place. As they are coming around, we are almost near the halfway point for the Midwest Dash Series. Ricky Wilson, still your leader in the 57 car. Finstad doing everything he can to try to close the gap on Wilson. Followed by the 28 car, our Michigan driver. That is Pete Doxey. And then Phil Maloff, our fast qualifier. And Patrick Thick sitting there in that fifth spot. Sean Rickelman trying to reel him in. Chris Harmon in the 66, right there with Rickelman. As now Ricky Wilson is going to come up on lap traffic. He's coming up on the 35 of Lyle Phillips. Lyle Phillips goes to the inside. Looks like the 54 of Peters is in the inside. And the 25 car, tough break for her. Something's not right with that car and that 25 car making the trip from Elkhart, Indiana. Just not working out for her. That is Leah Howie. Right now our leader is Ricky Wilson. Followed by Finstad. Followed by Doxey. That's your top three. Phil Maloff in fourth and Patrick Thick in fifth. Here comes Harmon on the inside of Sean Rickelman, the challenge for sixth spot. Everybody else kind of single file racing. We are now past the halfway mark. Well, it's either now or never if they're going to catch Ricky Wilson. It looks like they're starting to reel him in. Finstad, that Honda Prelude. The 22 of Pete Doxey, also in a Honda Prelude. And the 19 of Justin Pearson is going to pull off into the infield. They are slowly catching the 57 of Ricky Wilson. Looks like Todd Snow starting to challenge the 22 of Grabinger towards the back. Harmon still battling with Sean Rickelman. Those two have been going at it for quite a few laps now. And here comes Doxey to start to challenge Finstad for second place. I guess he didn't come all the way from Michigan for nothing, Rockford Speedway. We got 21 in, 9 to go. Is Ricky Wilson gonna hold it off? I don't know, the pressure is coming from Finstad and Doxey. Is there enough time left to do something? We're gonna find out. Laps winding down. Who's got Ricky Wilson to win this race in that 57 car? Who's got Finstad? Who's got Doxey? Here comes Finstad to challenge for the lead. Here we go, Rockford Speedway. We got a battle for the lead between Ricky Wilson and Tim Finstad. Oh, it's going to be close. Laps winding down here, getting down to the nitty-gritty. Who's going to win this race? I don't know if Tim Finstad's got enough laps to catch Ricky Wilson. Ricky slipped. Here comes Tim Finstad. All right, we're getting down. We got 2 laps to go this time by for Ricky Wilson. Finstad is right there. 1 lap to go. It's now or never for Tim Finstad. Here they come around the last lap, the last turn into 3 and 4. Is Ricky Wilson going to do it? He just did it. Second to Tim Finstad. So I just got a little information. You know, it pays to race at the Rockford Speedway because the top 2 cars are Bahama bracket regulars. So see what happens when you come to Bahama brackets. And we had an anonymous donor give $30 to each of the drivers for their travel expenses to come here in addition. So how about that for that anonymous donor? Thank you very much. Here comes our winner. Oh man. He runs big cars, little cars, wins in the little car. And it's hot, and there's the water bottle, and he's happy. He was feeling the heat from the 33 of Tim Finstad. The last couple laps, he slipped, and holy cow, here he is in victory lane. Here he comes, make some noise. It's Ricky Wilson. Ricky, come on over here. I got a good signal. Congratulations. I was watching that, and it's like a couple times. You got a hat right here. There you go. You had a couple times like you look like you slipped at a couple spots. Instead, got really, really close, and I'm like, here we go. This is coming down to the nitty-gritty. You seen him in your rearview mirror, didn't you?
Well, I felt him back there a few times. I don't have a rearview mirror. I don't like looking in it, but I definitely felt him, and I just tried keeping the foot in it, you know.
Well, he definitely gave you a great race. Ricky, would you like to thank anybody tonight?
First and foremost, my father. He's there through the nitty-gritty and the heat and everything else. And got to thank Homewood Auto Body, Large Worldwide Automotive, and the rest of the WRE crew, my wife, my son. Definitely a team effort. So.
And where is your home track?
I guess I'm an outlaw. Yeah, if I had to say a home track, okay. I started out at Iliana.
Okay,
and
sure.
they closed down.
Yeah, that's a sad thing. Yeah. What would you say that racing at the Bahama Brackets really helps give you a lot of experience here?
Oh, big time. It's a great show. It's definitely one to not miss. You know, you got 25, 30 cars all within a half a second of each other. The racing is so tight. It's really cool show to watch.
Outstanding. Ricky, thank you for your time. Once again, congratulations. Rockford Speedway, one more round of applause for him. It's Ricky Wilson.